Alright y'all, so let's go over packaging. So this is the box that it came in. It just says Alipearl. It has some care tips on the back. When you open it up, we have the wig here. This is 22 inches of their deep wave hair in 180% density HD lace 13x4 wig. We're gonna open that up in just a second. And I also got an edges brush, some lashes. I believe this is a hair scarf that says Alipearl on it. A wig cap. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks like a hair scarf, but it's really pretty. They sent me an adjustable strap to sew on and their dust bag, which looks like this, really cute. So yeah, so let me open up the wig and show y'all what it looks like. So when you first open it, let me remove the hairnet. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the bag. It's really soft and really full. I'm gonna run my fingers through it for y'all. See if I get any shedding. So I did get a few strands there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll hold it against this. There's a few strands there. So there's a little bit of, I got one there and a few more there. So there's a little bit of shedding, but this hair is really soft, y'all, and it's really, really full. And let's go into the construction of the wig. So as you can see, it's 13x4 and it's actually 13x4 ear to ear. I don't know if y'all see my last video, but last time, the 13x4 wig from Icy Hair only had 13x4 in the middle, but as you can see, it's 13x4 all the way around, which is a plus. Got combs. These combs I will cut out because I don't like those there, but if you want them, they're there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, customize it, and come back and put it on camera. First things first, you're gonna want to start off with some wet hair. This is its original curl pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up. This is the 24 inches, and this is where it falls on me. Stretched out, it stops about the top of my butt, bottom of my back, you know. And then if I pull it to the front, it stops about here, and I pull it probably like the middle of my stomach. All the products that I'll be using today, first I'm going to be using this Pillow Soft Curls, Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, this new brush that I just got. I'm excited to use it. And I'll be using, of course, my handy dandy diffuser. You know, I love diffusers. All my curly hair, it's a must. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna do too much when it comes to getting the curls, because I just realized that I never have to do that much because it's longer. So I'm just gonna go straight in and put a good amount of this on my hands. Make sure your hair is wet, probably that much. Rub it in and just add it in. I don't really care too much if this hair gets a little frizzy, because with longer hair I kind of like it that way. It makes it look a little bit more natural. And I'm gonna just take the brush and brush through it. I'm still curving my brush to define the curls at the end. So I'm just brushing through that, And then I'm gonna shake it out. Kind of just let the hair go separate ways. And then the next part, we're gonna diffuse. Like I said, this is gonna be quick, easy, simple. It's not gonna be like my last water wave video when I literally sat there and defined each piece of hair that I had on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this. I'm gonna show you guys a few ways that I like to style my water wave hair or any curly hair in general. It's just gonna be a few cute styles for you guys. One, you could wear it out like this. I have no part. I don't really do parts. I don't really like parts. I kind of just like to let it do what it does. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural. So this is so-called side part. So I have more on this side. And y'all, excuse my voice, it's going in and out. I think I'm losing it, but just bear with me. But yeah, this is so-called a side part for me because I don't like to actually part my hair. I just do a little flip and call it a side part. So yeah, this is the side part. I can do a somewhat middle part. This will be a middle part for me. Like that. And like obviously you can part it if you actually like to see like a straight part. You can part it, but this is so-called middle part for me.
just a few ways that I would like to style this wig. There's obviously a ton more ways you can style this wig. Those are just a few that I like the most. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.